到舊金山咧，唔食珍寶蟹咧，即係等於咧你去中國咧未上過長城。呢度啲珍寶蟹咧，即係咧大到咧，我個面都冇咁大啊，隻隻都2磅以上嘅。Hello， 觀眾朋友，大家好，歡迎收睇《大廚真功夫》，我係 Martin 甄文達。三藩市咧必訪之地咧就係呢個39號碼頭 Pier 39。喺呢度 Pier 39就千祈咧唔好錯過咧大名鼎鼎嘅珍寶螃蟹之家Crab House 過年嗰陣時咧，我嚟過呢度咧，佢哋啲師傅咧為我哋特別做一個好特別嘅，為新年中國人嘅新年設計嘅5味殺手珍寶蟹。我哋聽佢話咧，仲有好多咧招牌啲珍寶蟹啲名菜喎。之前咧好多啲中國師傅咧介紹嗰啲唔同嘅做蟹嘅方法，我哋今日要感受一下咧中式同西式做珍寶蟹嘅分別喺邊度咧？又體驗下。
Great to see you.
How many years? How long?
32 years. I've been waiting.
I have 2 fresh catch, and I'm going to challenge you with this one dish, another dish created by both of you. So 32 years ago, how did we meet?
We met at the California Culinary Academy in Chef Rody Yi's class.
Yes, yeah, I was a guest chef, and I can tell from all this year that you stick with the business. As a chef, that means you love what you do, you're passionate, just like me. Okay, let us go into the kitchen and show me a little bit about Crab House. This is an iconic place in Pier 39. That means iconic place in San Francisco. That means iconic place in the West Coast. Everybody come to San Francisco, they got to come to Pier 39, and they cannot miss the Crab House.
Let me show you around.
It'll be great.
My grandfather, Warren Simmons, was truly a visionary. And after World War II, Pier 39 had become a dilapidated, rundown pier, just full of trash. And he had an incredible vision to redevelop it. And he cleaned it up and rebuilt the whole pier, put in a bunch of stores and restaurants and attractions and performers, and really created an iconic place where people can come from around the world to come together and appreciate and enjoy the San Francisco Bay. I started working at the Pier Market when I was 13 years old as a busser. And through the years, I've worked all the different positions from busser, host, server, bartender. I worked as a dishwasher, I worked as a cook, and as a manager for a few years as well. My father just decided to retire after 45 years here on Pier 39, and I've since taken over as the CEO of Simcoe Restaurants. You know, we're always trying to improve. Our goal is for every dish that comes out of the kitchen, every interaction we have with a guest, to try and do it to the best of our abilities. And that really is what we're striving for, is just excellence at every opportunity we have. You're naturally going to be making changes as time goes. When we originally opened the restaurants, there was no computer system. Everything was done by pen and paper. And now you can take an order at the table and pay with a credit card by tapping your watch. So a lot has changed over the years. So we do try and stay current and progressive, but really more than anything, it's about executing every single time.
Chef Bob, you have been here for 10 years. I'm quite sure there's a reason why you choose to work in Crab House.
Well, one of the reasons is beautiful views that we have.
Look at that.
I come down here every day.
Yeah.
You see the Golden Gate Bridge right here.
Right there.
Alcatraz right there.
Alcatraz.
The world famous Pier 39 sea lions. People from all over the world come down to see
And
that.
also you have a crab tank, and this whole restaurant is crab. 嚟到呢度咧，有200幾隻呢啲咁嘅蟹喎，呢啲係嗰啲藝術家做出嚟，係睇嚟好似真嘅咁嘅喎。所以你嚟到呢度呢種感覺咧，就話咧，我真係個珍寶蟹之家嚟食嘢。咁我哋繼續咧之後咧，我哋去廚房咧介紹咧呢個珍寶蟹之家嘅名菜。我哋廚房咯 ，Let's go to the kitchen and check it out.
Let's do it.